Welcome back, Year 4s, and welcome back to an oily investigation. So today we'll be conducting our second scientific investigation of the unit, and we will be checking and observing the mold growth level on slices of bread using two variables: eucalyptus oil that we find growing on our eucalyptus trees and regular cooking oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my two slices of bread, which I've laid out overnight to ensure that the mold spores can land on the bread. And then I'm going to grab my first spray bottle, take off the lid. I'm going to grab my eucalyptus oil. So we need 10 mils of this, and I have a little measuring device which is 5 mils. So I'm going to take 2 of these and place it in my spray bottle with my 200 mils of water that we've already put in there. So that's 5 mils. So I'll take 1 mil. Alright, now I'm just going to set that aside for later on, because our second variable is cooking oil. So I've just put it in this little pot just because mine's a little bit low and I need to be able to get my measuring device in there. So once again, we need 10 mils. I'm going to put this one in my other second water spray bottle. So that's 5 mils that I'm going to put into my spray bottle with my 200 mils of water. And one more, that's another 5 mils, so that's 10 mils inside my water. And then what we want to do is just add a dash of dish soap to each, so that we can suspend the oils in the water. So just a little bit in each one. This will help make our investigation more effective. So just going to twist that bottle back on, because we'll need to give it a good shake before we do this. Alright, so hold it tight. Give it a good shake. Ooh. See, sometimes things go wrong, so you want to be wearing gloves when you do this. So I don't have labels on me right now, but you would label this one cooking oil and this one eucalyptus oil. And then head over to our Microsoft Teams collaborative lesson and we'll discuss this more so that you'll be all set. And then come back to this video where we're going to complete the investigation. Alright, so put your gloves back on, and we're going to grab our slices of bread. Just one moment, I've forgotten something. See, anything can go wrong when we do our scientific investigations, like we forget stuff, so we need to allow ourselves some more time to get it done. So, you're going to collect your 2 slices of bread, and then grab your spray bottles with each of your oil concoctions in it. And then we're going to give each slice of bread 12 sprays from 10 centimeters away with each of the different oils in it. So this one I'm going to do eucalyptus oil. So nothing came out of that one. We'll give it some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that I can see is nice and moist. It's gotten what we need in it into the bread. So we're going to grab this one. This is our cooking oil one. And I'm going to give it 12 sprays as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we're going to grab our plastic bags And with our gloves on, so we don't get any spores on us, and because some of us can have an allergic reaction to these things, we're going to put the slice of bread in our little snack box bags and seal it up. Then to make sure that nothing icky gets out of it, we're going to put it in a second snack box bag. And then you're just going to write on it and label it eucalyptus oil. And leave it out for 4 to 7 days. So I'm going to do the same with the next one. That's one bag. We're going to double bag. And that's 2 bags. So this one you would then label it cooking oil, and then we're going to leave it out for 4 days for the mold to form, and then we're going to come back on Friday and we're going to observe our results.